There is an old saying, birds of a feather flock together. Birds of a feather flock together. Now that becomes obvious when we observe nature and the various collections of birds, and this is true. Birds of a feather do flock together. But what has this got to do with the law of attraction? It refers not only to birds and not only to animals, but to human beings. Now we know that we have a tendency to associate, if we can, with those people who are very much like ourselves. It doesn't always work, of course. The point is this. The law of attraction says that we bring into our lives that which we think about. And what we think about is very important. If we are filled with goodwill, love, feelings of generosity and kindness, we find that the people we draw to us are like that. Generally speaking, we get lots of help, lots of assistance, lots of smiles and friendship. But if we are filled with feelings of anger and hatred and resentment, what do we bring into our lives then? If we are forever imagining, fighting, these are our thoughts. And what do we attract when we do that? Birds of a feather flock together. We attract those sorts of people into our lives. People who want to fight with us because we want to fight with the world. It's very important to remember this. What we think about is so important. Our habitual thoughts, not just the one-offs now and again, but our habitual thoughts, how we see the world in general. If we see the world as a miserable, mean, selfish place, then those are the types of people, those are the relationships that we will bring into our lives. If we see it as a kind, gentle, considerate place where most people are friendly, then that's what we'll get into our lives. Birds of a feather flock together. Very important when it comes to human relationships.